Hey everybody, this is Jim at SP500chart.com coming to you again from Nashville, Tennessee. It is after the close on Wednesday, May 23rd, 2012, and a pretty interesting day in the markets. And I think our chart is working really well. Now, I will admit that yesterday, having closed right on this line, but wait a minute, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is just for educational purposes. I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your money because I am not a licensed financial professional, and you have to trade based upon your own research and based upon your own financial situation, and also with your own emotional makeup. You got to know yourself to do this. I think, you know, if you think you're just going to throw, there's two kinds of people that I think make money in the markets. The first kind of person is the one who realizes their makeup. They know what they can and cannot tolerate, and that person can trade or invest based upon their risk tolerance. The other person is someone who just gets lucky. Okay, I know a guy. He just said, yeah, some years ago, what was it, a couple years ago, he said, I just put $10,000 in General Growth Properties. When it was what? Just, I mean, it was bankrupt. It was nothing. And so anyway, you know, some people get lucky and other people, they do it through skill and also through knowledge of their own personality. So look, here's the deal. Yesterday, we closed right on this line, right around the 13.17, 13.18 mark, I believe, 13.16, not knowing, frankly, if this was a legitimate breakout that just all of a sudden came back for some unknown reason, and then we rallied back towards the end of the day, getting close to this line here. So whereas this kind of looked like a bull flag, it was a weak close and then a little strength getting back up to this resistance line. Today, we did kind of, one of the scenarios that I pointed out was that if we can't get over that 13.19 to 13.25 area, then we would likely come back down and potentially find support on this orange line. And I did not move that orange line. That is exactly where it was left on the chart yesterday. And I don't know, lucky or good, I'm not sure, I don't care. But when we got the bounce right there, you know, it's like no worries. And now, it doesn't mean the game is over, and it doesn't mean the bears have gone home. They've gone into hibernation. But we also closed the day over this red line, which I take as a much stronger position from the standpoint of longs than what we had yesterday. Now, what's funny is we closed today at what, not but less than 2 points over yesterday's close. So you might say to yourself, well, Jim, how can you say that 2 points difference is a big difference in the close? Well, the reason is that yesterday we were underneath this line that I've highlighted, and we showed that we could not stay over this line. Today we came down, tested support, we got a back test finally on at least one line that we had not gotten a back test on, and then we closed the day over that line. So whereas yesterday we were under this line on the close, today we are over it. However, we still have that same, let me go to a smaller time frame here, we still have this stubborn little area right here between 13, I call it 13.19, or actually it's 13.20 and about 13.25. You can see that that is where the strong move off the bottom today, and you can see we got a little inverted head and shoulders here on the 3-minute chart. But you can see that this is where resistance was hit near the end of the day. So the S&P still has to find the strength to get over that 1320, 1325 area right here. And I believe if it does that, then we are setting up a move to possibly even get back up and back test. What am I looking for here? I'm going to have to go to a 10-minute chart. We got a couple lines we could back test. We've got this gray line right here. We also have this green line, which is the top boundary of our consolidation pattern that we had before this last leg down. You can see that right here. And let me grab this handle just a second, so we get a little bit darker candles. So you see, I think that if we can get over this area right here, then we're going to head on back up probably to the 1360s, potentially even as high as to make a stab at the neckline of our Head and Shoulders top that is currently sitting at about 1380. So guys, that is it for today. I've got a flaky internet connection here, so I need to keep it kind of short so I can be more assured of success in doing the upload. Thanks for watching. Good trading to you tomorrow. This was a good day. So take care.